When I married Anna, her family had nothing. I worked like a mule, 2 jobs, long nights, no breaks. I paid off her parents' debts, bought them a home, even helped her brother open a business. I thought love meant giving, and I gave everything. Back then, Anna would say, "You saved us." I thought that meant something. Years later, Anna had everything she once dreamed of: nice clothes, a car, a big house. But instead of love, she gave me contempt. "You'll always just be ordinary," she said one night, while wearing a diamond necklace I had paid for. Soon after, I found divorce papers on the kitchen table. Not only was she leaving me, she wanted half of my savings, the house, even spousal support, because she claimed I had held her back. I felt gutted. All my sacrifices, all the years, and this was my reward. Her family stopped answering my calls. The same family I had rescued from poverty. They sat with her in court, smiling like they'd already buried me. But they underestimated me. You see, I had listened to advice years ago from a lawyer friend. If you make gifts to in-laws, they're gone. But if you structure them as loans with contracts, they remain debts. So every check I wrote, every transfer, every investment, I documented. Proper contracts, notarized, legal. The day of the hearing, Anna's lawyer asked the judge for half of my assets in alimony. Anna sat there smirking, holding her parents' hands like she was already the winner. Then my lawyer stood. Calmly, he handed the judge a folder thicker than a Bible. Inside, signed loan agreements, receipts, even emails where her parents thanked me for the loans. The judge's face shifted. Anna's lawyer flipped through the papers, his confidence draining by the second. "Mrs. Anna," the judge said firmly, "you are not entitled to half of your husband's estate. In fact, based on these documents, your family owes him a significant amount of money." The courtroom went silent. Anna's smirk shattered. Her parents gasped. Her brother whispered, panicked. The final ruling hit them like a hammer. Anna got no alimony because she had means to support herself. She got no house. It was fully in my name. Her family was ordered to repay the loans with interest. When we stepped outside, Anna's family surrounded me. Her brother's voice cracked. "Please, we can't pay this back. You know how much we spent. Can't we settle?" Her parents, the same people who once ignored my calls, were suddenly begging. Even Anna, mascara running, grabbed my sleeve. "I was wrong. Please, I don't want to lose everything. Can't you forgive me?" For years I had begged for love. Now they begged me for mercy. I looked at them, people who betrayed me, mocked me, used me, and felt nothing but relief. "No," I said calmly. "You made your choice." I walked away as their voices broke behind me. The judge's ruling would strip them of their fake wealth, dollar by dollar. For the first time in my life, I wasn't poor. Not in money, not in dignity, not in strength. I hadn't just survived their betrayal. I had stood tall. And justice made sure they would never forget me.